Yo, what up? This is real stuff. This is like gonna be like 5 minutes long. Yeah, you know what, I'm gonna try something new. Not completely, I still wanna stay true. So high up, I'm like an angel's view. You know my flow is so hard that it feels like bamboo. You really don't have any type of clue how much the shit I spit is just for you. I never really knew that I was this good. I just started rapping, didn't know that I could. Then it all came together and I knew that this is my destiny. Making songs every night like I was on a spree. Hard work only, man, I'll never stop. Cause I wanna be the next hit for hip hop and have all of my songs stay in the top. They're never gonna drop, always on the chart, it stays hot. My rhyme is unpredictable, so it won't ever rot. Never give me a shot, cause I would place your spot. Living good when life was given to me, never bought. Cause what I got is good taste in music. Real rap shit is discipline, not abusing. Still loves in the air, call him Cupid. Dropping songs like the arrows he is shooting. My words are speechless, how these people muted. Only things they say is the stuff when they're rooting for me when I step up on the stage. How these people days feeling like me when I'm blazed. So listen and obey to my stories. Do it for your glory, so don't ignore me. Cause this isn't boring, it won't have you fall asleep or have you snoring. Cause that's not what I do. Busting rhymes and rolling loud in the living room. My rhymes are fast like the Mazda Zoom. Sitting in my condo in the bedroom. There's no need to say I'm the best. No sleep, no rest. Rapping in this ungodly quest. No support, no backlash. I'm so blessed. White shirt, black pants is how I'm dressed. Born and raised in the hills of Loganville. School, yes, I stay real. You feel? There's no need to kneel. Tell me when I'm standing still. Looking out to the screaming crowd. Yelling out the words I'm saying aloud. That's what's gonna happen when I'm found. Money piling to the ceiling from the ground. Yeah, well you know that the names eat. Rapping shit you would never see. Cause that's just me going all out when I sing. Do you feel the sting of the words that I bring? I can spit anything I want and not breathe. But I probably spit shit you would not believe. Like how I achieved such great loyalty from my friends and family. Well, welcome to reality. Time to start getting back to real life and trying to provide for you and your wife. Yeah, we all know that's the hard times where you don't have to go off and commit crimes. Just do what is best for you. You'll never know until you try it too. See now, look at what I'm doing. I got everyone in the stand just a moving. Now do it for yourself, not for anybody else. Don't let me forget anything. Nicole, you know she is my everything. Don't forget my brother Ethan. We're all legit, no cheating. All the words that I'm speaking make a story. I feel like I'm preaching. I will never take a break, not when I know all that's at stake. For heaven's sake, you know I'm not fake. Spitting shit you can't take while I'm sitting here wide awake. Like I said earlier, I'm never asleep. Down in the song and I'ma stay deep. I really don't want to end this song, and I want to make it to where there is nothing wrong. I say strong rap is where I belong. First time trying to rap and make it long. I think that this is a good change. Even if anything I say is strange, it's within my range. But rap for anything I want exchange. Cause this is my life until I die. I'm like 9/11, my planes will always fly and stay in the sky, never come down, it's too high. I'm a party man, I'm not shy. So sly that I look like a spy. Why must it end it when I'm just getting started? I'll always be here, I'll never be departed. Look around you, that's where I am, I'm going ham. All these people think I'm He-Man, recorded from my webcam. Just wait till I'm the man. then everyone will start to give a damn, and they'll all trust my case, cause they're seeing my face in every place. Running this race, you can't keep up with my pace. You're gonna have to wait until I get great. You can hate, but rap is on my dinner plate.